Happy Saturday, everyone. I went thrifting yesterday, and I'm one of those crazy people who loves to shop early for the holidays because thrifted and vintage items that remind you of certain people are just harder to come by, and last minute shopping really isn't an option. So today I wanted to show you a few of the pieces that I got from yesterday's haul, and I can't wait to share what I have with you. So first things first is this little wicker basket. I love it because for a little last minute gift idea, I could put a bottle of wine in here and then also a candle or something to kind of set the mood. So these are really great to have around just in general because it might be one of those little things you bring to a holiday party or just need last minute for some kind of quick gift idea. This next piece, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with, but it just caught my eye and I thought maybe it would be really cool in our upcoming office redo. But I'm not sure if I'll keep it yet or if it'll go on our shop, so keep an eye out for this piece. Next on the list is this adorable ceramic pitcher. It can be used to serve anything, or you could put a low water plant in here that doesn't require a lot of drainage because it doesn't have drainage, or a bouquet as a gift as well. Make a really pretty festive table centerpiece. I don't know about all of you, but I love to stew things in the middle of the winter. It gets really cold here in Portland, Oregon, so I tend to have a lot of these kinds of amazing ceramic pieces that double as baking dishes with the lids sitting on my open shelves in my kitchen just because they're so beautiful and the neutral look of them can be mixed and matched with anything. And I could put my choice of protein, root vegetables, a little broth in the oven and make something really, really delicious and hearty. This will be the perfect addition to a gift basket with kind of a kitchen theme this year. You may have seen it in the cart, but I couldn't leave this Brazilian hand-carved wood tray behind. I love these in general. We have a bunch of them in stock on our shop page at portlandrevibe.com. So you can check that out as well as get updates on our Instagram just to see what's new before it even hits the shop. I'm also a sucker for teak. Probably see a lot of that on our site as well, but I did find this really interesting fold down basket. It makes it easy to store, perfect to gift in a basket as well of its own, or you could make it into its own basket and fill it with a few different things that might be of interest to someone this holiday season. Who doesn't love a good mug? So I found actually 3 mugs this round, one with a really fun different style handle. It's nice and big. This one has a really cool finish on the inside, very bright blue. I can try to show it up close here. And then another that's actually made in Mexico, more like a Tonala style, and this is kind of your traditional classic mug shape. But you could pair it with your cocoa, a fun knitted blanket, and just create your own little cozy kit for someone, all packed up just for them. As you all know, I love hand-spun ceramics. And this one is blue, and I love the color. It could be a mug because it's finished on the inside with a nice glaze. Or again, you could put a little tiny potted plant inside. I love to buy these little 2-inch plant pots because they fit so perfectly inside these little dishes. And they can be interchanged if you leave them in the pot. But this could be a perfect little stocking stuffer or addition with the plant in a basket. Whatever you want to use it for, it could be a catch-all. Little dishes you just can't go wrong with. That concludes today's round of thrift finds, but I hope you come back to check out all of the cool pieces back on our website at portlandrevibe.com. And again, keep on all the updates on our Instagram page for first dibs before anything hits the shop. Have a wonderful rest of your weekend, everyone.